digital platforms have transformed our lives. We use them to stay connected. We enjoy these experiences, so we interact with them. The insights driven by these platforms have transformed consumer marketing. But for businesses that sell to businesses, there is no equivalent source of first-person data. It's difficult to even identify prospective customers, let alone engage them. So B2B companies have resorted to automated marketing, endless spam, clickbait, and digital ads. They've tried to use scale to make up for substance, no personalization, no relevancy. We believe the solution lies in creating compelling digital experiences that drive engagement, which generates data that powers personalization, ultimately converting prospects into buyers. ON24, the era of automation is over. The era of engagement is here.
Hi, I'm Sharad Sharan, co-founder and CEO of ON24. I built ON24 over the past 20 years with a mission to help businesses succeed in the era of digital engagement. And before I founded ON24, in the late 90s, I co-founded Hearst's internet media business, a part of Hearst, one of the largest media and publishing firms. That's when I really learned the value of audience engagement for consumer brands. Fast forward to 7 years ago, I had an epiphany. I realized that audience engagement was going to be extremely important in the business-to-business sector. And that's when I decided to go all in, to create a digital experience platform that converts audience engagement into revenue. A platform that would allow tens of thousands of companies to convert hundreds of millions of prospects into buyers globally. The foundation of our platform are these rich, interactive webinar and virtual event multimedia experiences. As prospects engage with these experiences, they provide their digital body language. Engagement that scales to many, but is personalized for every individual. The deeper the engagement, better the data. And with better data, our customers further personalize the next experience for their prospects, increasing the overall business impact. We believe this data-driven flywheel effect drives continuous optimization for our customers, resulting in improved customer experiences, greater customer intelligence, and enhanced revenue conversion. We believe that businesses across every industry and of all sizes will need to transform how they engage their customers and drive revenue in a digital-first world. A market opportunity that will only grow as digital is increasingly the norm. Our growth demonstrates this potential. Our digital transformation that started years ago and has rapidly accelerated with COVID-19. This digital transformation has fundamentally changed the way businesses engage with their prospects and will only become more important in the future. In fact, Gartner predicts that by 2025, almost 80% of B2B sales interactions between suppliers and buyers will occur in digital channels. This dynamic is completely upending the go-to-market strategies of most B2B businesses, and it's leading to greater results. McKinsey finds that 96% of B2B sales teams shifted their go-to-market model during COVID-19, and it's proving to be just as effective or even more effective than before. That's because professionals now take the same digital-first buying journey as they do in their personal lives. Forrester finds that nearly 70% of B2B buyers prefer to do their own research online. When you shop for a car, you don't just drive to the lot. You turn on your computer, you do your research, read reviews, watch videos, and educate yourself well before making a purchasing decision. B2B buyers have taken control of their own journey. They spend less time talking to salespeople and more time educating themselves online. Now, when the B2B buyers are self-educating, we are using archaic technologies to engage them. Marketing at scale has become synonymous with automation and spam. So much so, countries are stepping in to stop it with regulations like GDPR. We expect that the new norms of digital transformation, combined with the rise of the self-educating buyer, will accelerate the need for our platform.
My name is Hope, and I manage the global webinar programs at Zendesk. We like to say that we're in the business of relationships. We help our customers build better relationships with their customers. I think we found a great partner in ON24. I've seen a different level of engagement from our viewers. It's no longer, a viewer just kind of like listening through a talking head. Now it's all about them participating in Q&As, them participating in social media, them participating in conversations with our speakers. More importantly, for us, webinars have been a significant contributor to pipeline opportunity. As far as our registrations and attendance rates, we just keep getting better and better, and it's exciting for us. With an average of about 55% conversion to close, our webinars really yield one of the highest win rates by channel. A company like Zendesk, who's so big into customer experience, and a marriage with On24, who likewise shares the same value, that's a perfect partnership.
Our customers come to us to solve two problems: engagement and data. If you look across different kinds of digital marketing and B2B interactions today, some are engaging, some provide data. We don't believe there's a solution that can match our ability to do both. In-person events, for example, are very engaging, but physical events are not just difficult to scale and very expensive. They also provide little to no data on a prospect. Advertising, email, and websites, on the other hand, are all tactics that are very easy to measure and scale. You can count clicks, visits, and downloads without a problem, but it's very difficult to know a person from a click. That is where On24 comes in. We designed our platform to fill the data gap of these traditional marketing strategies. An On24 live experience averages 50 minutes to audiences of more than 200 attendees, delivering over 20 data points of engagement for each attendee. Our platform captures every interaction within an On24 experience. When a prospective B2B customer responds to a poll or asks a question during an On24 experience, all of that information is captured and analyzed by our platform. And that's just a single experience. Most of our customers deliver hundreds or even thousands of experiences per year. Because the more experiences you do, the more people you engage, and the more data you deliver. That creates a multiplier effect for every single one of our customers. That also creates a multiplier effect across our entire network of experiences. Last year, our platform powered 200,000 live digital experiences, totaling more than 2.5 billion minutes of engagement per year. Over 4 million professionals engaged on the On24 network monthly, a 170% increase year over year. The ability to engage hundreds and thousands of prospects simultaneously is a highly efficient way to scale marketing and maximize ROI.
Informa is a global information services company. The On24 platform has been successful with our company due to its flexibility, which allows us to create events that can look hundreds of different ways, but still have that same powerful tool underneath. Coming from an information services market, the On24 platform is invaluable not only from the way that data is collected, but the way that we can analyze that data, not only from our marketing perspective, but from our clients' messaging perspective. They're able to see in a graphical form when engagement increased or decreased, and they can then tone that next message based off of what they learned from those reports. I can say in using On24 for the past 12 years, webinars are the bellwether lead gen tool in our portfolio. We started by doing 14 webinars a year. This year, we'll do more than 1,000 webinars.
Let's look more deeply into the On24 platform. It has three core components. First are the On24 experiences. They come in three forms: live, always on, and personalized. Our flagship live experience product is On24 Elite. It is an engaging experience that brings video, rich content, and real-time interactivity with over 20 engagement and buying signal tools. And it serves as the foundation upon which On24 digital experiences are built. Our larger scale live experience product is On24 Virtual Environment. This is a solution built for online conferences, trade shows, group training, or other multi-session events. ON24 Engagement Hub gives our customers their own always-on Netflix channel, a personalized multimedia content experience that prospective customers can engage in anytime, anywhere. And we continue to drive the consumerization of B2B experiences with our personalized experience product, ON24 Target. The more rich multimedia content experiences that our customers create for their prospective customers to engage with, the more first-person data that our customers are able to collect in return. All of that engagement data is run through our analytics engine, an artificial intelligence-driven personalization engine. This is the second component of our platform, ON24 Intelligence. Finally, we integrate all the data within the marketing and sales ecosystem of our customers through the third part of our platform, ON24 Connect. Any business can use our platform. No code or technical expertise is required, which is critical for the sales and marketing customer base we serve. Our goal is to enable a buyer to engage with a continuous stream of experiences without hitting a dead end. And by developing our products to be download and plug-in free, we aim to make our experiences as frictionless as possible. To see how our platform works in action, I'm going to walk you through a typical prospect journey. Meet Paula Price, the Vice President of Network Security at a financial services company called Metropolis. Paula is a target prospect for a hypothetical company called Cloudtech that has a broad set of cloud technology products. Paula is working on a cloud migration project for her company and looking for solutions to help. She is self-educating. She searches online for the latest trends and innovations in cloud networking and has served an ad for Cloudtech's upcoming live experience, Thinking Above the Cloud. A day later, she attends the live experience, built and delivered by Cloudtech using ON24 Elite. When she enters the experience, it is fully branded and completely customized, from the colors to the interactive elements. Paula is immediately drawn in by the opening video that gives her a real-world understanding of Cloudtech's technology. She downloads several resources, connects with the speaker on LinkedIn, and asks several questions about the presentation. Halfway through, a poll pops up asking about her use case, and Paula answers. Paula learns a lot about Cloudtech's offerings and decides to sign up for a free trial. For Cloudtech, free trials are 5 times more likely to convert to sales and signal that a buyer is serious. So they are quite happy about that. At the end of the experience, Paula is able to continue to self-educate with content that's relevant to her industry and needs. Within 30 minutes, Paula receives a personalized rich media experience via email from Cloudtech. It introduces her to her sales rep, Marcus. It provides her free trial credentials, some best practice videos for financial services, and a call to action to learn more at the Cloudtech Learning Hub. Paula is interested and visits the Learning Hub. The Cloudtech Learning Hub is powered by ON24 Engagement Hub. This experience includes on-demand webinars and videos, infographics, and PDFs. It has recommended content and case studies. These are digital rich media Netflixes for her to binge on. Paula also sees that Cloudtech is hosting their quarterly virtual user conference TechNext in 10 days, and she registers. Paula's event registration triggers an alert to Marcus, and he reaches out to say where she's at in the decision-making process. Paula's interested and agrees to meet with Marcus at TechNext. Cloudtech has used another ON24 experience, our virtual environment product, to produce an immersive, content-rich virtual conference. At the conference, she networks with other Cloudtech customers, visits the Tech Expo, the virtual exhibit hall, and gets a demo of other Cloudtech products. Now she's convinced. At the event, Marcus presents a proposal, and Paula is ready to sign the deal. In just a month, Metropolis is Cloudtech's newest customer. That's our system of engagement at work, and that's the power of our platform.
A big challenge in the B2B marketing space today is being able to really connect and engage in the digital space in an authentic and engaging manner. On24 has really enabled me to be able to scale according to the needs of both my audiences and the size organization that I am working for, and to have an integrated approach with deep dive analytics that allow me to really understand my audiences. What content are they engaging with? What's most pressing on their mind based off of responses to poll questions? The more I understand what they're looking for, the better my team and I are able to serve them, which produces great results.
Hi, I'm Jayesh Sahasi, Executive Vice President of Products and CTO of On24. We know that today's self-educating buyer expects a personalized customer experience, but truly personalizing an experience takes a great deal of behavioral data that is just not possible to get through traditional marketing channels. We've built our platform to bridge this data gap. It all starts with our prospect analytics. We develop a 360-degree view of every individual and how they engage within any On24 experience. The more time someone spends and the more content they engage with, the more likely it is that they are ready to buy. Using our proprietary algorithm for engagement scoring, our platform provides an engagement rating, low, medium, or high. This is a simple way for a salesperson to measure how interested someone is in purchasing their solution, or for a marketer to incorporate engagement into their lead scoring criteria. Along the way, we directly measure buying intent through a set of purpose-built tools that signal if someone is ready to make a purchase by prompting them to take a specific action like book a sales meeting, sign up for a product demo, or start a free trial. Many of our customers have a goal to increase the number of prospects who take these actions, because they know that people who sign up for a free trial or a product demonstration convert to paying customers at very high rates. As our integrations surface these buying signals via CRM and marketing systems, they can be immediately acted upon. Finally, we're able to provide insights on a prospect's business interests based on their history of engaging with experiences across our platform. One example is our AI engine that can automatically recommend the best content experience to deliver next. So for an attendee, Paula Price, for example, who is engaging with content on a specific topic, for example, blockchain, our engine will recommend matching content about that particular topic when available. This propels her journey forward, taking her from one relevant experience to the next, reducing friction and accelerating her pace towards making a purchase. We architected the On24 intelligence framework to enable insights across every aspect of our platform and measure the results. Zooming out from a granular understanding of every prospect, we highlight content and presenters that resonate, show trends across experiences and stages of the marketing funnel, and show interests for each specific target account. Zooming out even more, we share a unique set of benchmark metrics to enable our customers to measure their performance against industry peers, so they can find ways to improve. All the first-person data we collect forms the foundation for our machine learning engine, which empowers our customers to create more engaging experiences that in turn collect more first-person data. This acts as a flywheel for deeper engagement, better insights, and greater personalization, all of which ultimately leads to more converted prospects. Our customers can seamlessly integrate these insights with marketing automation platforms, CRM systems, and business intelligence tools through On24 Connect, our large ecosystem of third-party integrations. We deliver this data in near real time, accelerating the time frame within which marketing and sales can take action for more precise marketing and smarter context-aware sales conversations. To deliver all this engagement and data, the most important thing is an enterprise-class, reliable, and scalable architecture that is rock solid, designed to be secure, and is privacy and accessibility aware. Our overall goal is to move digital experiences and the data those interactions create to the center of all business functions, ultimately driving more revenue through meaningful human engagement.
Hi, I'm Dean Shaw, and I'm the Global Webinar Program Manager at SAS. Really, our mission is to make it easier for more people to use analytics in their daily roles. On24 lets us get as close to the customer as possible. Previously, we relied very heavily on live events, but what 2020 forced us to discover is that there's this valuable audience of people who who are very much interested in your company, your solutions, and your message, but just may not be able to get to you live. When we did our first virtual event this year, what we saw is that we drew an audience that was 4, 5, 6 times what we would see at our live event. We will get back to live events, but also we're just able to attract a larger audience by having a hybrid with a live event and a virtual event. So I think hybrid events are definitely here to stay. We really highly leverage the ON24 data via the API that we pull into our CRM systems for further analysis. Who should we contact and who should we back off on? Certainly the person who registered and didn't attend is probably not somebody who wants a sales call right now, nor is the person who signed up and attended for 2 minutes. Then you've got the one that registers, attends, stays the entire 60 minutes, downloads 2 pieces of content, submits a survey, and asks a question. That's probably a guy that we want to talk to yesterday. That insight is only possible because we leverage the ON24 API. Again, just helps us as a company, an analytics company, further understand our customers and prospects and make better decisions from it.
We are incredibly proud of the fact that our platform was built from the ground up. We have a great executive team that's in it for the long haul, not the quick hit. And there's an army of people behind them who are delivering on our mission globally. Our ambition is to allow tens of thousands of companies across the world to convert hundreds of millions of prospects into buyers. We've built a digital experience platform that creates a data-rich system of engagement. We have created a powerful flywheel effect. The more experiences, the deeper the engagement, the better the data, the better the personalization. We have an amazing customer list of global enterprises. We invite you to join us on our journey as we usher in the era of engagement. Thank you.